Hello and welcome to True Leicester. This is one of our True Studio rooms, which is brand new and opening in September 2024. So this room is 18 square meters in size. As you can see, it's absolutely great space. But our studios, they range a little bit from 15.7 to 20.7 square meters, and the layout is a little bit different. So just consult our floor plans or ask one of our team if you have any questions. But let's get stuck into the room tour now. So I'll show you some of the features we have right by the door. So you have these very handy hooks for your coats or your bags, which are great before you're going to uni. And you've also got your full length mirror just right here on your bathroom door. And you've got some very handy plugs down there as well, which is perfect for if you're using a hairdryer or straighteners, because it's right next to the mirror and very handy for you there. And as we walk over here, you've got your wardrobe. So this is a great wardrobe. You've got your shelving space up there, your rail there to hang things up, and plus your drawers there for any other items. As we walk over to the main part of the room, you've got your double ottoman bed and your bedside table right next to it with the USB-C and USB plug socket, and plus the very handy light switch, which is right next to your bed too. So your bed has got a double luxury mattress, which is perfect for that good night's sleep. And underneath, you've also got loads of storage space, which is great for any suitcases or boxes that you don't want to clutter up your room with. And then down here, you've got your very own self-contained heating unit. So you can control this yourself, and there's no limits on it as it's all included with your all-inclusive rent. You just control it with this simple panel on top here, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings and if you want to heat up this room. And then up here as well, you've also got your blackout curtains. So these close all the way across just to block out all of the light, which is great for those lie-ins. If you want a lazy Sunday morning, then you won't be woken up by the sun. And now we are in the study space of the room. So this has got your very large desk, which has got storage above here, plus your pin board, which is great for putting up any photos of your friends or family that you might be missing from home while you're at uni. And then you've also got your plug tidy here, and then some plug sockets underneath the desk as well for your laptop and any devices that you might want to be using. This is also where your swivel chair is, which comes with the room, plus some more storage underneath and this drawer too. And then we move over to your in-room kitchenette. So this has got some storage space up here in these cupboards, which is great for your plates and your cups, plus your sink down here, and your electric hob over here as well. You've also got a cooker hood, which pulls out like this. And then down here, you've also got your fully functional oven, so you can cook anything that you would want into this. And over here, we've also got your fridge as well, which has got your fridge down here, plus your freezer compartment up there. Okay. And then over here, you've also got your bin as well, which is just simply put underneath your sink here as well, just out of the way. Just opposite your bed, you will have your TV here. So as we are currently a site which is in development, the TVs haven't been installed yet. But when you move in, you will have a smart TV, which you can cast Netflix and Disney or anything you might want from your phone to the TV. And it will just plug in right down here, and then it'll be displayed up there. And then we walk into your very own ensuite. So over here, you've got your large shower, which has got a luxury rainfall shower head at the top, plus the handheld extension over there, and that concave to the side, which is great for just storing your soaps or your shower gels, and just keeping them out of the way and in reach. Then over here, we've got your mirror, which has got the light underneath, plus a lot of storage space within the mirror as well. And then you've got your sink, toilet roll holder, plus the heated shower rail, which is great for drying your towels on. Thank you for watching this room tour of our True Studio room type in our brand new property in Leicester. As we said, this room is brand new for 2024 and will be opening in September.